In this video, we are going to look at question 32 from the specimen paper. In this video, we are supposed to find an unknown speed r in the following collision scenario. So a ball is traveling to the right with speeds 3 meters per second and it weighs 2 kilos, and it hits a 5 kilo ball which is traveling in the opposite direction with this unknown speed r. After the collision, the first ball rebounds and now travels to the left at 1 meter per second, while the other one to the right hand side at half the initial speed r. Whenever we see a collision question, it's always a good idea to write down the momentum before and after the collision. The momentum is always conserved. I defined the direction to the right as positive. So before the collision we have positive momentum from the red ball, 2 kilograms times 3 meters per second, that's mass times speed, minus the momentum contribution of the blue ball. Similar for after the collision. Now, by conservation of momentum, these two quantities have to be equal. And when we set them equal to one another, we can isolate r, and we see that its value is 16 over 15 meters per second. And that's the value of the speed which we are supposed to find to begin with. And in the exam, it was answer C.